Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth Davis. If you're new here, I make a lot of fashion videos and lifestyle vlogs, so if that's your vibe, then definitely subscribe. Today's video is going to be a Mother's Day gift ideas. I'm so excited. Mother's Day is coming up here on May 9th, so it's coming up pretty quickly, and I wanted to give you guys some little ideas that you could get, little gift ideas you could get for your mom. And I have some stuff from Amazon that I'm going to show you, and I also have some things from Luisa that I'm going to show you. Luisa sent me 3 pieces recently of jewelry, and I've worked with them a couple of times now. So the one thing I love about Luisa is that they are a sustainable jewelry brand. I think the most amazing thing is that they only make limited batches of their jewelry, so there is nothing that's going to waste, and they eliminate 100% of their carbon emissions. And I really like that because that means there's no waste, and I really like thrifting and just like secondhand stuff and being sustainable and just aware of things that, you know, I'm using. And like, I find so many good, amazing things that are sustainable and carbon neutral. They have a 365-day warranty. The quality of the jewelry is so great though, you don't need to worry. It's just so amazing, and it never tarnishes or anything. I've had a lot of other pieces of Luisa's jewelry, and some of it is, you know, stuff I've had for a while and it hasn't even started to tarnish. So it's just really great quality. So below I've linked Luisa's website. You can use my link, and it's perfect just in time for Mother's Day. So I'm going to show you guys the pieces I got. Now, the first thing is this ring, and I think it's so pretty. I've never gotten a ring from Luisa. I've gotten earrings and bracelets and necklaces, and I've always wanted to get a ring, but I never just had the opportunity, and I think this one's really pretty. I would love to get this for my mom because actually her birthday is in May as well, and so it's like an emerald color. Love that. It kind of gives me like a class ring vibe, which is super cute, and then like it just feels like such good quality. So next I have 2 necklaces, and I would actually pair these 2 together. The first one is this really gorgeous chain. I've had my eye on this chain for a while, and I'm so glad that it was in stock for me to get it. It's so pretty, and I think it is, I forget what the length is. I want to say it's 14 or 16 inches. I can't remember, but I'll link it for you, or I'll put it on the screen so you can know exactly what the necklace is called. But I would layer this with this next necklace that I'm going to show you. And if you can just see it by itself first, it's super pretty. I really like it against this black t-shirt I'm wearing, and it just looks really pretty. You can wear this with pretty much anything, and I actually have this on kind of loosely, so you can wear it a little bit tighter, more like choker style like this, or it goes a little bit longer too. So definitely ways to adjust it, which I really like. And then this necklace is so precious to me because I am a big hiker, and on the necklace is a mountain, a picture of a mountain, and like a star, and then on the back of it, it actually has the North Star. And this means a lot to me because my best friend and I hike a lot, and it just kind of reminds me of like what got me through quarantine and really just what my new hobby is. And it's a really great way for me to connect with friends and family, and I know that if your mom is into hiking, she would love this necklace, and it would mean so much to her. So I'm actually wearing it below this necklace, and I really like Luisa's jewelry because you can just like stack all of their necklaces. It's amazing. And same with their bracelets. And I really like this necklace. I think your mom would really love it too. Like if you and your mom are hikers and you want to get her this necklace, I know she'd really love it. It would look great with this necklace paired with it. And like I said, their whole website's 15% off right now. Thank you, Luisa, for partnering with me on today's video. And yes, definitely shop these pieces. You're gonna love them. You won't regret it. Hey guys, okay, so coming to you from a different setting now. I lost all of my footage from the rest of the video where I talked about the rest of the Mother's Day gifts that I thought were good ideas for your mom for Mother's Day. So I'm still wearing my Luisa jewelry though. It's a few days later, and the only other time I had to film this is a week from Mother's Day, and I wanted to have it uploaded for then so that you can at least get your gifts and get them ready to go. So the first gift that I think you should get your mom besides the Ana Luisa jewelry is this Himalayan clay mask. I think that this would be really great. It looks like it's got some pretty good reviews on it, and that's really encouraging. There's actually 5,460 ratings, and it has a 4.5-star review. So that's pretty cool. That's a lot of reviews to have that many stars. Obviously, I especially like Himalayan products because I like the Himalayan salt lamp. I like the Himalayan salt itself, and so I think like a mask like that would be pretty cool, like the Himalayan clay. That's pretty awesome. Another thing I was thinking of, because I keep seeing these like gift, like food boxes, like chocolate boxes or meat and cheese boxes or anything like that. Like, you could make something like that for your mom. That way you're not having to pay for shipping, and you're not going to be paying like a crazy price for something like that. I think that your mom would probably really enjoy that, rather than having to, buy that, and it's like the prices are so high just because, the person that created it has to make money, which it's usually like a brand that's like super well known. It's not like it's a small owned business, but you could also do like a small owned business for like chocolates or something like that if your mom likes chocolate. I keep seeing like all these meat and cheese trays too. I think that you could probably make her something like that. There's so many different things. There's this makeup mirror too. Like, I think this looks really cool. It has all these different magnification levels, and it's an LED makeup mirror. I'm actually looking for one too, so it's actually good to know because this is a pretty good deal. $30 for a mirror this nice. If that specific mirror or whatever it is doesn't work for you, they suggest like hundreds of other makeup mirrors that you'd be able to probably find one that still works really well for you. So just something to think about. Like, if you see this mirror, you like the idea of the mirror, but you don't specifically want that mirror. I mean, you know how Amazon is. They always give you thousands of other suggestions of similar products and brands. So, it's like a rabbit hole, but Amazon instead of YouTube. So this is a smartwatch for women. This only has 197 ratings, and it still has 4 stars, which is pretty good, but I think that this is kind of nice if you don't want to spend a ton of money on something, but if you don't want to spend a ton of money like on a smartwatch or like anything at all, maybe you're on a budget for Mother's Day, this is a really good gift for your mom to consider. I think it looks really good. I read some of the reviews and they seemed to be pretty good. And over 50% of those 197 ratings gave it a 5-star review. So that's pretty encouraging. And then I really like the color. It's pink. So like, pink is a really good color for your mom. I'm going to say something that might sound a bit stereotypical, but I feel like moms are super into essential oil diffusers. Like, I just think that moms really love them. I just don't know. I just feel like every mom that I know, with the exception of my mom, love essential oils. I know my grandma loves them. I think they're really cool, really nice. I really like them. This one is really cool. I like this diffuser because it actually changes color. It's an LED one, and you can change the color based off of the mood of the bedroom or the room that you're in, whatever. I think that's really unique, and this also has quite a few ratings. So I always try to read the reviews before I buy something, especially on Amazon, because the reviews are so easy to read and find, and I just think that it's really cool. I really like this. I actually really want it, and it says it's eco-friendly, so that's encouraging. It's got a picture of a little baby next to the diffuser, so it's obviously child-proofed, because we all know, especially I feel like younger moms, it's either like younger moms or middle-aged moms, I feel, that really like essential oils. I don't feel like there's much in between there, at least the people that I know. Like, that's the case with the people that I know. So, or the ones that I hear about using essential oils, it's usually like either really young moms of like newborns and toddlers, or like middle-aged moms that are like maybe their kids are in college or whatever. I just find it funny. I think it's cute. I like that. So summer's coming up, so I thought this would be a really good idea if your mom is into being outside a lot. So like if you guys have a pool or your mom has a pool, you could buy her this speaker. I think this looks really good. It's $100, so it is a little on the pricier side, but the reviews look really good. I mean, I'm pretty sure most people have probably been around somebody that plays music from something like this, like a speaker, a JBL speaker like this, and I have always really liked them. I've always had a good experiences with them. It comes in a bunch of different colors, so if you're willing to spend $100, or if $100 is something that you're able to spend, then I would highly suggest this. And it just comes in a bunch of different fun colors. There's red, yellow, white, blue, green. I mean, just literally every color you can think of. And then this is totally something that I feel like my mom would get for my grandma, like as a joke. It says, it's a coffee mug, and I think it's really funny. That says, "Dear Mom, thanks for putting up with a spoiled, ungrateful, messy, bratty child like my sibling. Love, your favorite." That is so funny. I feel like that is like kind of how my family is just in general. Like we're all like that with one another. But my mom and my uncle definitely talk that way to one another and to my grandma about each other. So it's definitely just kind of like a family inside joke. So if your family's like that, that would be a really good gift. Here's a makeup palette that I think looks really good. There's all sorts of neutral shades in here. I like this a lot. It's pretty affordable. It's $35. There aren't very many reviews though, but I think that like just something like this that's like an affordable eyeshadow palette, like if your mom really likes doing makeup, I feel like that's a good gift. Any kind of sort of makeup would be good for her. Another like good idea of gifts, any candle, like moms love candles. Same like with the essential oils. I just feel like moms, if they don't love essential oils, they probably love candles. So you're either one or the other or both. So a mom is almost always gonna like one of the two, if not both. So this one's from Yankee Candle. The scent is Beach Walk, which I'm sure smells amazing because pretty much everything from Yankee Candle smells really good. I love Yankee Candle. This is one of their bigger ones, so this one's $22. But I think that really any candle, Bath & Body Works has great candles, of course. Target has amazing candles. Oh my gosh, I love Target's candles. I think I love them more than Bath & Body Works. And I really like their soy-based candles as well. Those ones are really nice. Okay, so here is what I was giving an example of earlier with the cheese board or charcuterie board like set. This is a bamboo cheese board and cutlery set with a slate centerpiece and cheese markers. So like Swiss cheese, blue cheese, you can write on it, it looks like. That's really cute. I love this. The cheese board itself is 16 by 13 inches, and then you get like a platter for the cheese as well, and it comes with some knives. I don't think the wine and the wine glass are included, but that'd be really nice if they were. Another good gift idea would be like wine glasses, a bottle of wine if your mom's really into drinking wine, or like coffee mugs, set of coffee cups, like a coffee kit almost. So you could get her like really couple of cute coffee cups, which Target always has really cute coffee cups. So does Big Lots. Walmart, of course, Amazon. You could get her a bag of coffee and then maybe like some kind of fun creamer to put in it, or like a syrup or something if she's a big coffee drinker. That's a good idea. For me, my mom drinks coffee from Aldi's and it's literally so good. So you have to try Aldi's coffee. That place has some seriously good coffee as well. So check out Aldi's coffee. Okay, so this is another good gift for your mom. If she does not have an air fryer, you have to get her an air fryer. I think my friend got his mom an air fryer last year because he's like, "Do you want to come with me to Target to get my mom an air fryer?" I'm pretty sure she really loved it. And if your mom does not have an air fryer, you've got to get her hip to it because air fryers are life-changing. We all know this, us air fryer users. There's so many different recipes on TikTok and just so many different like things that people make with air fryers, and so moms are always all about that kind of stuff. So if she does not have an air fryer, you've got to get her hip to it. I'm telling you, she's gonna love it. This one is only $66, and I'm sure that she will love it. You should totally get it. That's a very good price, I feel. I haven't read the reviews, but that's just another idea. There's another one that's $120, so a little above the price range for the one we're talking about today, the gift ideas, because these are $100. Okay, and then the last gift I'm going to share with you guys is this French white round and oval ceramic bakeware set. This is a 12-piece set. I thought this looked really nice, and I think that if your mom really likes baking or serving like food and nice looking dishes, this would be a really great idea for that. I mean, my mom always serves dishes in ceramic dishes like this, and I think it just makes the presentation so much nicer. And obviously you can put them in the oven and bake with them, which is really nice too. So just a few really good ideas for your mom for Mother's Day. I know she'll really love them, and I hope you guys were able to get some inspo from today's video. Again, don't forget to check out the website that I've linked below for Ana Luisa. A lot of really great deals on there. It's, again, the whole website's 15% off, so you're going to want to check it out. And check out the links below to get the inspo for your mom's Mother's Day gift idea as well from Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, sorry about the quality, but these things happen from time to time when you lose your footage, and it's just part of YouTube. So I hope you guys will stick around. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Wow, let's try that again. Almost knocked my hat off. Showed you guys my hair underneath of this. You definitely wouldn't have subscribed after you saw that. Okay, again, adios.